Imagine reaching into your pocket, pulling out a simple quarter, and thinking it's just worth 25 cents. But what if I told you that same coin holds a powerful story, one that changed US coin history forever? And even more surprising, some versions of this coin could be worth far more than face value. Today, we're diving deep into the 1965 Washington quarter, a coin millions of people have seen, but very few truly understand. So before you spend your next quarter, you might want to watch this carefully. The year 1965 marked a turning point in American coinage. Before 1965, quarters were made with 90% silver. But due to rising silver prices and coin shortages, the US government made a bold decision. They removed silver completely from circulating quarters. Yes, the 1965 quarter became the first copper-nickel-plated quarter in US history. This wasn't just a small change, it shocked collectors and the public alike. People even started hoarding older silver coins, fearing they would disappear, and they were right. So while the 1965 quarter may look ordinary, it represents the moment America said goodbye to silver coins in everyday use. Let's take a closer look at this coin. On the front, you'll see the familiar portrait of George Washington, facing left, a design that has been used for decades. Above his head, you'll find the word Liberty, and below, the year 1965. On the back, there's a powerful American symbol, the eagle with outstretched wings, holding arrows and an olive branch. Around it, you'll read, United States of America. E pluribus unum. And $quarter. Now here's something interesting. Unlike earlier coins, most 1965 quarters do not have a mint mark. That's because, during this time, mint marks were temporarily removed to discourage coin collecting and hoarding. So, how much is a 1965 quarter worth today? For most coins in average condition, it's still just 25 cents. Yes, face value. But don't click away just yet, because there's more to the story. If your 1965 quarter is in uncirculated condition, meaning it was never really used, it could be worth $5 to $15 or more. And if it has a strong shine, sharp details, and no scratches, collectors may pay even higher. Still, the real excitement comes from something else. Errors. This is where things get interesting. Some 1965 quarters were struck with mistakes, and these errors can make them much more valuable. Here are a few to watch for. Silver planchet error. A very rare mistake where a 1965 quarter was accidentally struck on a leftover silver planchet from 1964. These coins can be worth thousands of dollars. Double die error. Look closely at the letters and numbers. If they appear slightly doubled, you might have a valuable error coin. Off-center strike. If the design looks shifted or incomplete, collectors love these unique mistakes. Wrong metal composition. Some quarters may feel heavier or look slightly different, always compare carefully. So next time you find a 1965 quarter, don't just spend it. Inspect it. Because one small detail could mean big money. The 1965 quarter may not always be worth a fortune. But its story, its history, and its hidden possibilities make it far more valuable than just 25 cents. It's a reminder that sometimes the most ordinary things can carry extraordinary value if you know where to look. So tell me in the comments. Have you ever checked your coins carefully? Or maybe you already found something rare? And next time you get change, take a second look. Because your next quarter might not be so ordinary after all. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more hidden coin treasures, make sure to subscribe to Coin World Explorer. Turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to like and share this video. Because your next coin could change everything.